Welcome back to Learning Lane, your space for smart and simple learning. Today, we are exploring one of India's most beautiful and unique states, Kerala, often called God's own country. In this video, we will understand Kerala's geographical location, physical features, climate, rivers, natural resources, vegetation, wildlife, and its importance in India. So let's begin our journey through the geography of Kerala. Kerala is located on the southwestern coast of India, along the Arabian Sea. It lies between latitudes 8°18 and 12°48 north and longitudes 74°52 and 77°22 east. The state is bordered by the Western Ghats Mountains on the east and the Arabian Sea on the west. To the north, Kerala shares boundaries with Karnataka, and to the east and south, it borders Tamil Nadu. Kerala has a narrow but long shape, stretching about 580 kilometers from north to south, while its width varies from just 11 kilometers to about 120 kilometers. This unique location between mountains and sea greatly influences Kerala's climate, rivers, vegetation, and lifestyle. Kerala's physical geography is divided into three major regions: the highlands, the midlands, and the lowlands. The eastern highlands form part of the Western Ghats, one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world. These mountains rise to heights above 2,000 meters, and the highest peak in Kerala is Anamudi, standing at about 2,695 meters, making it the tallest mountain in South India. The Western Ghats act as a natural barrier, blocking dry winds and forcing moist monsoon winds to rise, which causes heavy rainfall across the state. This mountain range is also a biodiversity hotspot and the source of most of Kerala's rivers. The Midlands, also known as the Central Region, lie between the highlands and the coastal plains. This area consists of rolling hills, fertile valleys, and thick vegetation. The Midlands are ideal for agriculture and plantation crops such as coconut, rubber, pepper, areca nut, and cashew. Many rivers flowing from the Western Ghats pass through this region, depositing rich alluvial soil, which makes the land highly productive. Most of Kerala's towns and villages are located in this region because of its balanced climate and fertile soil. The lowlands or coastal plains stretch along the Arabian Sea and form a narrow belt of flat land. This region includes Kerala's famous backwaters, lagoons, estuaries, canals, and sandy beaches. The backwater system is one of the most unique geographical features of Kerala and plays a major role in transportation, fishing, tourism, and agriculture. The lowlands are densely populated and are known for rice cultivation, coconut plantations, and fishing communities. Ports like Kochi and Kozhikode developed here because of easy access to the sea. Kerala has a tropical monsoon climate, which means the state experiences heavy rainfall, high humidity, and moderate temperatures throughout the year. Kerala receives rainfall mainly from two monsoon seasons: the southwest monsoon, which arrives in June and brings most of the rainfall, and the northeast monsoon, which occurs from October to November. The Western Ghats help increase rainfall by forcing moisture-laden winds to rise and cool. Average temperatures usually range between 20 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius, making the climate pleasant but humid. This abundant rainfall supports agriculture, forests, rivers, and lush greenery across the state. Kerala is blessed with a large number of short but fast-flowing rivers because of the steep slopes of the Western Ghats and the state's narrow width. There are 44 rivers in Kerala, out of which 41 flow westward into the Arabian Sea, and only 3 flow eastward into Tamil Nadu. The longest river in Kerala is the Periyar, followed by Bharatpuzha, Pamba, Chalkudi, and Kallara. These rivers provide water for drinking, irrigation, hydroelectric power, and fisheries. River valleys are also densely populated and agriculturally productive areas. Kerala's backwaters form a unique inland water transport system consisting of lakes, canals, lagoons, and rivers running parallel to the coast. The most famous backwater stretch is the Vembanad Lake, which is the largest lake in Kerala and one of the longest in India. Other important lakes include Ashtmudi Lake, Sasthamkota Lake, and Kayamkulam Lake. These water bodies support fishing, farming, tourism, and transportation, and they also help regulate floods and recharge groundwater. Houseboat tourism in these backwaters attracts millions of visitors from around the world. Kerala is rich in natural vegetation due to its high rainfall and warm climate. The state has different types of forests including tropical evergreen forests, tropical deciduous forests, montane forests, and mangrove forests along the coast. The evergreen forests of the Western Ghats are dense and support rare plant species. Trees such as teak, rosewood, sandalwood, bamboo, and ebony are found in different regions. Mangrove forests protect coastal areas from erosion and serve as breeding grounds for fish and birds. Kerala's forest cover plays an important role in climate control, water conservation, and biodiversity protection. Kerala is also famous for its rich wildlife diversity. The forests of the Western Ghats are home to animals such as elephants, tigers, leopards, deer, wild boars, monkeys, and various reptiles. The state has several protected areas including Periyar Tiger Reserve, Silent Valley National Park, Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, Eraviculam National Park and Parambikulam Tiger Reserve. Eraviculam National Park is especially known for the Nilgiri teher, an endangered mountain goat species. Kerala's wildlife conservation efforts help protect endangered species and preserve ecological balance. Kerala's soil types include laterite soil in the midlands, forest soil in the highlands, alluvial soil in river valleys, and sandy soil along the coast. Laterite soil is rich in iron and aluminum and supports plantation crops like rubber, cashew, coconut, and spices. Alluvial soil along rivers is fertile and suitable for rice cultivation. These soil types, combined with abundant rainfall, make Kerala one of India's most agriculturally productive states despite its small land area. Kerala's geography strongly supports agriculture and plantations. Major crops include rice, coconut, rubber, tea, coffee, pepper, cardamom, ginger, turmeric, and areca nut. Kerala is known as the Spice Garden of India because it produces some of the world's finest spices. The cool climate of the highlands supports tea and coffee plantations, while the midlands are ideal for rubber and coconut farming. The coastal plains support fishing and paddy cultivation, especially in low-lying areas like Kuttanad, which lies below sea level and is famous for below-sea-level farming. Kerala has a long coastline of about 590 kilometers, which supports fishing, trade, tourism, and port activities. The Arabian Sea has historically connected Kerala to foreign traders from Arabia, Europe, and East Asia, making it one of India's earliest centers of international trade. Important ports such as Kochi Port play a major role in Kerala's economy today. The coastline also features beautiful beaches like Varkala, Kovalam, Marari, and Baikal, which attract tourists and support coastal livelihoods. Kerala's geography also plays a major role in its human settlement patterns. Most people live in the midlands and coastal plains due to fertile land, water availability, and transportation facilities. The highlands have lower population density because of steep slopes and dense forests but are important for plantations and conservation. Rivers, backwaters, and roads form natural transport routes, shaping Kerala's linear settlement pattern along the coast and river valleys. In conclusion, Kerala's geography is a perfect blend of mountains, rivers, forests, plains, lakes, and seas, making it one of the most environmentally rich regions in India. The Western Ghats provide rainfall and rivers, the midlands support agriculture and settlements, and the coastal plains support fishing, trade, and tourism. This unique physical setting has shaped Kerala's economy, culture, biodiversity, and lifestyle. Understanding Kerala's geography helps us appreciate how nature and human life are closely connected in this beautiful state. Thank you for watching this video on Learning Lane. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learning Lane for more easy and interesting geography lessons. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.